Am I a liar? Are you a liar? Now, if we say we love God but hate our brother, then we are a liar, says St. John in today's first reading. Now, this is the big question put forward to us. Am I a liar? Do I love God, and do I show this love of God by loving my brother and my sister, by loving my neighbor? Dear brothers and sisters, we find it quite comfortable to the idea of loving God with all our heart and all our mind and all our soul. We find it comfortable to engage in prayer, in practices of piety, in going for Mass every Sunday, in knowing that we are obedient to God in as much as He is our Creator and we are His created being. We want to love God and we are loving Him in worship and prayer. But brothers and sisters, is this good enough? Jesus Christ in the Gospel says that He has come to bring good news to the poor, to proclaim liberty to captives, to bring sight to the blind, and the freedom to the downtrodden. When Jesus Christ does this, He is basically showing His love towards them. Now, St. John in the first reading goes on to say that loving God is keeping His commandment. Brothers and sisters, today we are reminded of one of the most important commandments that Jesus Christ gave us. Love your neighbor as yourself. Now, what exactly is this loving your neighbor as yourself could mean? Now, Jesus Christ has already indicated the kind of love that we can show to our neighbor, our brother and our sister by explaining about His mission here in this world. When He sets people free, when He gives sight to the blind, when He is taking care of the poor, He is showing them love. And when we do likewise, we too will be showing them love. Now today, as we have entered into 2021, we still live in a period where many people are in need of this freedom from various kinds of oppressions, various kinds of trials, various kinds of poverty which has struck them. Can we be the face of Christ to each one of them who happen to come in front of us, or who happen to be our neighbors, who happen to be our brother or sister? When we do that, we are showing love towards them. Brothers and sisters, today's message is a very simple and straightforward message. When we bring sight to the blind, we are loving that person. When we set someone free who is oppressed, we are loving that person. When we are bringing good news to the poor, we are loving that person. Now, Jesus Christ's commandment is basically this. When we are able to do this to our brothers and sisters, we are keeping His commandments and we are loving Him, and we are also loving our brothers and sisters. It is a very simple and straightforward message, but it is not that easy to be obedient unto it. In order to be obedient unto it, we need to enter into the love of God and experience His love for us first, because it is He who loved us first. When we know that He has completely loved us, that He has freed us from sin, that He has taken care of us and given us sight of faith, sight of spirituality, the sight of truth, then we have to respond to this freedom by loving our brothers and sisters, by being the face of Christ to them. So as we enter into this 2021 with the hope that everything will be okay for all of us, let us make a commitment to be the face of Christ to someone around us, to bring freedom to someone around us, to help them in their poverty, to bring sight when they are not able to see the truth. Dear brothers and sisters, when we just do that, we are loving our brothers and sisters. When we love our brothers and sisters, we are truthful in our statement that we love our God. So am I a liar? Only one thing will prove whether I am a liar or not. I claim to love God. So whether that is a lie or that is a truth will depend on how I behave towards my brother and my sister. Thank you, and God bless you.